When the caffeine finally hits and you remember every embarrassing thing you said in 2014. The exact moment his soul left his body for a single cocktail sausage. He looks like he is about to explain why my credit score dropped or why the 1920s was the best era for jazz. Your therapist says you need to work on your boundaries, but your massage therapist is a cat who does not care about your personal space. You accidentally activate the cat's factory reset mode and now you are stuck with You have one brain cell and it's currently losing a debate to an egg. You reach for the last slice of pizza and the designated supervisor of the house decides your subscription to life has...
What the fuck?
5 stages of trying to explain to your cat that your hand is not a chew toy, only to realize the cat has already won the argument.
Nani? Huh?
The council has assembled. I am currently experiencing a severe existential crisis. Feeling when the sun hits just right and the first sneeze of a 10-part series starts loading. Your Bengal decides that your winged eyeliner needs more wings and a lot more chaos. Your dream about a giant tuna is so realistic that you start leaking the evidence. The level of nap deepness I aspire to reach this weekend.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
You realize the new rug has a higher power level than you. You try to start a fight but realize your opponent is just too comfortable for your nonsense. Your extroverted friend tries to force you into a social life, but you have already committed to being a decorative houseplant. Tuxedo Cat is really out here performing a manual override on the black...
Huh?
The diet starts tomorrow, but the intrusive thoughts about lasagna are happening right now.
No. Huh?
Your human says the floor is lava, but you live on a fish farm. Would you like me to suggest some trending hash? The humans think they're having a moment, but you're just here to remind them who actually runs this house.
Huh? Huh?
The milk coma hits so hard you forget how to be a dog and just become a fuzzy baked potato. realize the workday is just starting and you have already reached your limit.
Huh?
Thought I bought a puppy, but it turns out I actually adopted a very motivated shadow that thinks my feet are its property. You try to hit the high note in the shower, but your soul leaves your body before you reach the chorus. You poke the main character and realize they have more plot armor than you expected. Fruit inspection is complete and I have decided that everything here is unacceptable. Please replace the banana immediately or I will be forced to knock. Your cat forgets that glass doors are actually solid. You think you have the range of a golden retriever. Feeling when you realize your liquid form has met its match with solid bars.
Huh? No, 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 no.
You try to grab a snack but accidentally activate the self-destruct sequence and end up in a You touch the heater even though your mom told you it was spicy and now your health bar is fighting for its life.
My favorite cat likes me.
Top 10 anime battles of all time. You finally find that one spot on your shoulder that's been itching for 3 business days and it sends you straight into another dimension. Personal mission is to annoy this kitten until it realizes I am the main character. It is currently failing to cooperate by being incredibly cute. You are 100% cotton but 0% impulse control. You try to use the tree for stealth but your orange cat energy is set to maximum visibility. Some things are better left unsmelled. That look of instant regret says it all. You try to use your degree in sleight of hand, but your audience actually knows how to count. You finally gather the courage to speak up, but the boss doesn't even acknowledge your existence. Trying to find the off button on my alarm clock while I'm still 90. You hear the